Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually add music to your Instagram post. For this example over here guys, we are going to create a brand new post. Let's click on the plus sign at the lower center of the screen. So I am going to create a new post using this image over here, and then I'm going to click next after we choose our post, right? There are a couple of filters that we can select over here if you are into editing, if you didn't edit your picture prior or video. But if you look at the upper right corner, there is a small note sign, right? You want to click on the note sign, and then you will choose the song or the music. You have two options over here guys. First option is For You page of songs that people are using a lot, that are currently popular. And then if you swipe on the right side, you can browse through the actual genres: romantic songs, hip-hop, R&B, classical. Okay, the third option is if you go up here on the search bar and simply look for the title or the artist. When you find it, all you gotta do is to click add. We add the song. Now we're moving on. The next step, of course, is publishing the content as usual. Very important difference I want to highlight over here is that if you change your mind about the song, right before posting, over here you have an option to replace the song that we just selected. Okay, so you don't have to go back, you don't have to lose the progress of your post. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.